this is a house we worked on getting their pond running. They've got all this gravel down here, this lower patio space. I want to take all this up. They've got a border edge here wrapping around. I want to take all of that out, all this gravel, take out this little funny corner here because none of that should be there. Reuse those rocks in there. We'll bring a couple more, fix some transitions. So the crepe myrtle will stay. These roses will relocate. This little holly will relocate. That'll probably go back there. The roses can either go back in there, over here somewhere. There's 2 roses in there. We'll take those out. Maybe again back in there. All this gravel will come out through here. Steppers will come out. And that patio will stay, but all this gravel through here will come out. We'll probably take a bunch of these steppers and relay them in there just so it's neat and clean for them. This becomes a small bed, just like that, around the crepe myrtle. This is our access. So we'll probably bring the dump truck and shovel out and bring maybe dingo. I'll see if I can measure it, if it works, or wheelbarrows, and just take this gravel out. Probably looks like it's about 2 inches or so, and all those pavers out, and clean this all up and get it prepped and put seed down, and we'll seed this lawn area.